As the dust settles on another 12 months, we look back on 2025, a year defined not just by steel but by resolve. Across shop floors and control rooms, Rourkela Steel Plant has moved forward with renewed energy and purpose. I, Sushmita Tirki, AGM Materials Management Department, and my colleague Mr. Himanshu Mishra, Senior Manager Energy Management Department, are going to present the annual roundup and ode to the relentless spirit of Team RSP.
2025 was a year of milestones, large and small, that enriched the journey of Rourkela Steel Plant. It began with a change of guard. On January 13th, RSP entered a new era of leadership as Mr. Alok Verma assumed charge as Director in Charge. A seasoned technocrat, Mr. Verma brings pioneering work in operations, product development, and digital transformation, fostering a culture of continuous improvement and data-driven decision-making. One of the most significant moments of the year came on November 18th with the two-day visit of Mr. H.D. Kumaraswamy, Honorable Union Minister of Steel and Heavy Industries, accompanied by CMD SAIL, Mr. Amarendu Prakash. Mr. H.D. Kumaraswamy, along with Honorable Union Tribal Affairs Minister, Mr. Jewel Oram, the Minister toured key units of RSP and also inaugurated the state-of-the-art Caster 4. Notably, Caster 4 that had successfully rolled out its first cast on October 13th was completed in a record 44 months, the fastest of its kind across SAIL. In April, RSP had the honor of hosting Shri Jatothu Hussain, Honorable Member of the National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. His visit included a high-level review meeting and interaction with diverse community groups in peripheral and resettlement colonies.
2025 was a year of breaking boundaries and setting new production and logistics benchmarks. The spirit of excellence resonated across all shop floors. The sinter plants set a new single-day record of 22,543 tons of sinter on 28 November. The hot strip mill 2 achieved its highest ever monthly performance in January, rolling over 2.5 lakh tons of slabs. Meanwhile, the new plate mill made history on August 15, rolling a massive 5,445 tons of plates. On 11th August, the sheet shearing line of HSM2 edged a new milestone by setting a single-day production record, shearing 53 coils and producing 1,400 tons of HR plates. Even in waste management, we set benchmarks. The Materials Recovery Department crossed 1 lakh tons of BOF slag disposal in August, culminating in a single-day record of over 6,500 tons. In quality, SMS1 achieved its highest ever sequence of 31 heats in continuous casting machine 1 over 27 uninterrupted hours. These numbers reflect the relentless drive of every employee. From the high-tech mill floors to the essential recovery departments, the message is clear. When Team RSP is determined, limits are simply new starting lines.
RSP took a major step towards operational excellence and smarter logistics with the inauguration of track mobile operation on 30th July by Mr. Vishwaranjan Pillai, ED Works, at Traffic and Raw Materials Department. The ED Works pressed into service 4 modern fire tenders, including 2 foam fire tenders, 1 DCP cum multi-purpose fire tender, and 1 water bowser with 18 meters boom tower to the fleet of Fire Services Department on 17 December. Our ingenuity thrives on the shop floor. Sinter plant teams executed an innovative solution by installing special aggression liner to enhance sinter quality. Sinter Plant 3 for the first time replaced the direct charge transfer chute of the circular sinter cooler, all done indigenously. An in-house developed dust suppression defog system was commissioned at Sinter Plant 2 SP2 to tackle excessive dust generation at BF5 dispatch belt transfer point. Perhaps most notably, the Hot Strip Mill 2 team successfully restored a critical 9-stage Hitachi descaling pump entirely in-house, saving an estimated 50 lakh rupees and ensuring uninterrupted production. Design and shops engineered a critical spare part of hot strip mill 2 HSM2, addressing severe wear in curved guide frames number 1 and number 4 of down coiler number 2, while an in-house developed testing facility for safety valves was inaugurated at Marammat Bhavan of Centralized Maintenance Mechanical Department on 26 July 2025. The new plate mill implemented a pioneering full mechanized cleaning system to clear the completely blocked scale channel during the capital repair shutdown held in November 2025. The mill also successfully implemented an innovative emissivity coating in its reheating furnace during the campaign. The first hot coke pushing from oven number 294 of battery 5B commenced on 28 March 2025. This achievement marks the completion of cold capital repair work on 20 ovens, significantly enhancing operational efficiency and sustainability at RSP. Our future is being forged in innovation. A major highlight was receiving the LATOT certificate for the defense grade DMR 249A steel from DMRL, DRDO, a strategic achievement positioning us at the forefront of national security. On the utility front, the commissioning of the 250 MW unit grid islanding system boosted efficiency and cost optimization, a proud achievement for our power distribution team. Sustainability is non-negotiable. A major step was the inauguration of the 30 million liters per day sewage treatment plant for Steel Township, a massive rupees 96 crore investment in environmental responsibility. Reinforcing its commitment, RSP signed a contract with Messrs. FY Infra and Research Private Limited Thane and Messrs. SMC Resources SDN Kuala Lumpur for the implementation of Treatment System 2 under Zero Liquid Discharge ZLD project on 12th March 2025. Investment in the future also began with groundbreaking of Coco 1 battery number 7 and the 2 million ton per annum pellet plant project, securing raw material flow and production capacity. The groundbreaking ceremony of the product testing laboratory project for the new plate mill NPM, special plate plant SPP and hot strip mill 2 HSM2 was organized on 3rd November 2025.
Investment in human capital goes beyond the shop floor. RSP welcomed 13 new management trainees during the year. LAMP, the Leadership and Management Productivity Workshop for Senior Executives, was held from 28th to 22nd February 2025. RSP focused on leadership through the Enhancing Leadership for Women's Executives program and launched the Employee Assistance program to support mental well-being through professional psychological counseling. A 2.5-day HR transformation workshop, Sale Darpan, was held at the Learning and Development Center from 29th to 31st July 2025. A spiritual discourse on the theme of leading a successful life in an industrial environment was delivered by Swami Nirliptananda Saraswati Maharaj, Vice President of the Divine Life Society, organized at the Gopabandhu Auditorium on 9th December. On 17th June, Rourkela Steel Plant organized a half-day inner engineering workshop at the Learning and Development Department for the physical and spiritual well-being of employees. Ms. Mahima Jain of Isha Foundation introduced inner engineering as a yogic science and technology for holistic well-being, blending ancient wisdom and modern relevance. Employees of RSP showcased their cultural flair during Rajbhasha Natak Sandhya at the Civic Center on 13th February, presenting 2 captivating dramas. The annual accounts of Rourkela Steel Plant, including the Odisha Group of Mines, were formally signed on 7th May 2025 at Manthan Conference Hall, marking the successful culmination of another fiscal year, in the presence of the DIC and the statutory auditors. The financial yearbook of RSP was released by the Director in Charge on 26 September. A safety officers meet was held at Samagam Conference Hall on 3rd December 2025. Mr. Bibu Prasad, Deputy Director, Factories and Boilers, Government of Odisha, was the guest speaker of the event. A one-day training program on protecting assets and personnel safe working in induction furnaces was organized on 19th December by the Directorate of Factories and Boilers, Government of Odisha, Rourkela Division. A series of activities were organized across RSP to observe National Chemical Disaster Prevention Day on 4th December. On 23rd October, a vendor and supplier interaction session was organized at the Material Management Conference Hall to mark Vigilance Awareness Week. Another vendors meet focusing on the trade receivables, electronic discounting system and vendor registration procedures at RSP was organized earlier on 26th September. Reaffirming its commitment to sustainability, RSP showcased its vision of Sail Steel, Green Steel at the Utkarsh Odisha Make in Odisha Conclave 2025 in February. A new modern conference hall, Samagam, was inaugurated at the Executive Director Works Building on 9th August 2025. The director in charge engaged with media representatives during a workshop held at the Indo-German Club on 6th August 2025. The workshop, themed RSP Today and Tomorrow, Media as a Partner in Progress, witnessed the participation of around 100 professionals from various media houses. A two-day meet of heads of internal audit of SAIL commenced at Rourkela Steel Plant on 17th February. More than 300 students from different schools of the Steel City along with senior officers and employees of Rourkela Steel Plant as well as CISF personnel enthusiastically took part in the Mass Environmental Awareness and Tree Plantation Festival of RSP organized at Ispat Sabuja 1, Jagda near CWS Hospital on 4th July. Ispat General Hospital is redefining healthcare excellence. By combining clinical experience with specialized expertise, its team consistently achieves success in treating rare diseases and critical patient cases. The 44th All India Steel Medical Officers Conference, hosted by Ispat General Hospital, was organized on 7th and 8th February.
SAIL RSP's influence extends far beyond the plant gates. Our CSR initiatives touched thousands of lives. Multidisciplinary health camps provided free checkups to over 800 patients. We championed local culture and sports, culminating in the thrilling finals of Samvardhan Rural Football Tournament and the vibrant Synergy Lok Sanskriti Mahotsav, celebrating the region's rich tribal heritage. Investing in livelihood and education is fundamental. Under the Skill India mission, RSP sponsored Youth for Vocational Training programs in collaboration with CIPET, empowering them with essential skills. We also signed an MOU with NIT Rourkela for a Waste to Wealth project promoting sustainable organic farming. A modern community center was inaugurated in Sadak Toli of Badgarain village, Lathikata block, while a crematorium was constructed at Bhalulata village in Bisra block. RSP collaborated with Centurion University to implement a mobile vision care health program in peripheral areas aimed at delivering accessible and essential eye care services to rural communities. The newly launched Shishu Vatika at Deepika Ispat Siksha Sadan was inaugurated with a vibrant and heartwarming Pravesh Utsav ceremony on 2nd March. RSP also distributed bicycles to 93 students of class 8th and 9th of Deepika Ispat Siksha Sadan with more than 70% attendance to support their journey towards continued learning. 2025 set the stage for a spectacular future in sports. RSP launched the inaugural Rourkela Half Marathon 2026 themed Run for Prosperity to be held on 24th January 2026. The AIMS certified event aims to foster fitness, community spirit and a healthy lifestyle following international standards. In a media meet on 8th November at Indo-German Club, Director in charge Mr. Alok Verma unveiled the logo, mascot, theme song, official website and marathon jersey, marking the launch of this landmark initiative. In a game-changing move, RSP significantly enhanced allowances for sportspersons, the first update in nearly 35 years to attract and nurture the best talent for the future. In a ceremony organized on 13 September, Mr. Alok Verma felicitated two exceptional hockey talents from Rourkela, namely Shailendra Lakra and Neelam Sanjeev Khes, who were part of the Indian squad that registered a triumphant victory at the recent Men's Hockey Asia Cup and bagged the gold. The renovated basketball stadium was inaugurated at the basketball complex on 8th November, while construction of a new football ground commenced with a groundbreaking ceremony on 4th November. During the year, RSP hosted the SPSB Inter-Steel Plant Hockey Championship in February and SPSB Inter-Steel Kabaddi Championship in March. The Sail Table Tennis Championship 2025 was held at the Ispat Indoor Stadium from 18th to 20th December. RSP emerged as the champion in the SPSB Inter-Steel Chess Championship held at Steel Club, Durgapur, while our powerlifting team also brought home 11 gold medals from the state championship. Ashirwad Swain from RSP family was selected in the East Zone team to participate in the prestigious Duleep Trophy tournament, while the powerlifting team of the steel plant secured an impressive tally of 17 medals, comprising 11 gold, 1 silver and 5 bronze in the 6th State Powerlifting Championship 2025. In the 13th Khateshwar Pandey Memorial All Odisha Open Swimming Competition, Mr. Pradeep Kumar Barik, Junior Engineer Associate of the Roll Shop, clinched 2 gold medals, while Mr. Rudra Narayan Sahu, Junior Associate Technician of Repair Shop Electrical CEM, secured gold in 50-meter freestyle and 50-meter backstroke events. The electrical and power team emerged champions in the 15th Ispat Synergy Cricket Championship 2025, an employee engagement initiative of Rourkela Steel Plant. The defending champion electrical and power team beat the SMS2 team by 5 wickets in the final match played on 25th February 2025 at Ispat Stadium.
Republic Day and Independence Day were celebrated at Ispat Stadium Sector 6 and Mini Stadium Sector 22 amidst joy, festivity and patriotic fervour. Sail Gaurav Divas was celebrated at Ispat Stadium on 24th January with pomp and gaiety. Vishwakarma Puja, the Puja of the Divine Craftsman, was celebrated with zeal and zest in Rourkela Steel Plant on 17th September. More than 100 pandals were erected inside the steel plant by the enthusiastic employees. Some other important occasions celebrated during the year includes National Safety Day on 4th March, International Women's Day 8th March, Fire Services Day on 14th April, International Nurses Day on 12th May, World Environment Day on 5th June, International Yoga Day on 21st June. National Sports Day on 29th August. Rajbhasha Fortnight from 14th to 30th September. Engineers Day 15th September. Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Vigilance Week from 27th October to 3rd November. Quality Day on 8th November. International Day of Persons with Disabilities on 3rd December. Colorful cultural programs were organized at Civic Center to mark Raja Utsav on 14th June and Kumar Utsav on 6th October. A month-long children theatre workshop was jointly organized by National School of Drama and RSP at Ispat English Medium School that culminated into a beautiful play presented by the students at Civic Center on 11 June 2025. The 57th Annual Horticulture Show 2025 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant was held at Jubilee Park on 18th and 19th January, with 263 prizes were awarded across categories including flowers, foliage, fruits, vegetables, flower arrangements and garden layouts. RSP's collective's hard work did not go unnoticed. RSP secured the prestigious 16th Kalinga Safety Excellence Award 2024 in the Platinum category. Bolani Iron Ore Mine was honoured with the Pollution Control Excellence Award 2025. Most importantly, the Joint Committee on Safety recognized our exemplary safety record with 0 fatal accidents across multiple zones between 2022 and 2024. RSP bagged Platinum Award for Environment and Diamond Award for Safety in the Global Clean Energy Summit in New Delhi. The Utkarsh Safety Quality Circle team from Blast Furnace 5 brought laurels to the organization by securing the Par Excellence Gold Award at the International Convention on Quality Concepts ICQC 2025 held in Dubai from 19th to 23rd November 2025. RSP earned national recognition at the 19th Global Communication Conclave of PRCI in Goa, winning 5 prestigious awards for excellence in public relations, communication and CSR. Dr. Manoj Panigrahi, Additional CMO of IGH, was recognized at the state level by the Directorate of Family Welfare, Government of Odisha for performing the highest number of vasectomy procedures in 2024-25, reflecting IGH's continued commitment to public health and community well-being. The Saksham category was won by Mr. Sampad Mishra, AGM Coke Ovens, and Mr. Abhishek Kumar Mishra, Assistant Manager Blast Furnace, while the Samriddhi category was clinched by Ms. Divya Dash, AGM Civil Engineering Services, and Ms. Rosalyn Das, Senior Manager, I&A. Teams from SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant achieved a notable double victory at the SAIL level Saksham and Samriddhi Management Business Quiz 2025 held at Bhilai Steel Plant. The Saksham category was won by Mr. Sampad Mishra, AGM Coke Ovens, and Mr. Abhishek Kumar Mishra, Assistant Manager Blast Furnace, while the Samriddhi category was clinched by Ms. Divya Dash, AGM Civil Engineering Services, and Ms. Rosalyn Das, Senior Manager, I&A.
Challenges were met with determination and opportunities were transformed into lasting achievements. This is the spirit of a Maharatna company, and this is the enduring commitment of Team Rourkela Steel Plant, forging ahead always. Wishing all our stakeholders, employees and their families a happy, prosperous and safe New Year 2026. Happy New Year to all.
Happy New Year to all.